It's 8 grams biscuits and powder. And the powder leftover from the mango float. We have the mixed with the condensed milk, the sweetest milk in the world. It's a yummy snack. Mm. Mm. Yan, it's it na. I'll get some water. Mm. Eating and shout out. Shout out to Nimrod Heke. Okay, shout out, mom. We'll share one video. This one. Then share it here to my community. Loading. Yan. Mhm. Kain na tayo. While the computers nag-loading. Shout out, shout out also to Nature's Beauty. I really shared your video, ma'am. To Rosemary Calgary, 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 California. Okay. Next shout out is Stagtic. Okay. We'll share your video, sir. One video for Stagtic. This one. This one. Sharing is loving. Stagtic video. Process of sharing. Yeah, Stagtic videos. And okay, count ko. Eating sa. That's it. This is the leftover buffet from mango plot. Still crunchy, tasty. Hmm? Mm. Shout out. Nagbablur yata. Yan. shout out to your friendship. Okay. Ayan, shout out to you, my friend. Very loyal friend. We'll share one video. This one. Okay. Copy. Then let's share it to the community. Post it. That everyone can see our video. That's it. Here's your video, my ship friend. Okay. Yan. Next on the list, Mrs. Lourdes was in. Okay, we will share the latest video of Mrs. Lourdes was in. Nice couple. Okay. Let's copy and then let's go to the community, my community page. Okay. Let's share it. Yan. Share ko na, ma'am, ang video mo. Okay. Shout out sa iyo. Then next, may ito. Montezor Collection. Karl Heinz. Rudolph Oy. Then Caballero Idim. Okay, I will finish my snack. Yan. So may part 2 pa nito. Mamaya, part 2.